A project is more than just a building. It embodies people's aspirations and dreams. In construction projects, paint plays a crucial role as it reflects the image of the owner, serving as a testament to their personality. The painting cycle involves numerous challenges, including selecting high-quality paint and waterproofing products and color combinations, ensuring material availability, meticulous planning, hiring skilled applicators, meeting project completion timelines, and obtaining warranty certificates, among others. Aditya Birla Group, a Fortune 500 company renowned for crafting brands that have made a lasting impact over generations, under its flagship brand Birla Opus Paints, brings to you Prime, a one-stop solution for your painting needs. Birla Opus has invested 10,000 crores in building 6 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities capable of producing 1.3 billion liters of paint per annum. Our R&D center comprises a team of 100+ research experts, and our products have been tested for over 3 years. We cater to every specific requirement with expert teams offering customized paint solutions for all stakeholders. Our extensive product range includes 2,400 colors and 250+ unique color ideas. Our offerings are tailored to accommodate the 3 phases of projects. In the pre-painting phase, we assist project clients in selection of right products based on applications, product sampling on sites, color match services, hiring experienced paint applicators, and selection of colors with the help of color selection tools. During the painting phase, we ensure timely material delivery, provide project status updates, offer product training, and conduct safety training for workers. In the post-painting phase, we conduct joint site inspections, issue warranty certificates, and make periodic site visits to ensure a sense of assurance for the client. Birla Opus Prime is here to streamline the painting ecosystem, assist in attaining higher returns, and enhance your corporate image. Partner with Birla Opus, and together, let's paint possibilities.